Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, find a campfire or an in-bed and sit. Resting advances the in-game clock, and weather refreshes when time moves forward. Once done, try fast travel to an unlocked shrine or tower. The game recalculates weather on arrival. Make sure to unequip metal if the rain brought lightning. Metal attracts strikes. You want to be ready to change location and time quickly, so keep a nearby travel point or warm shelter selected before you pass several hours. Once you've started changing time, continue methodically. Sit for 1 hour rests and check after each interval. Shorter waits reduce wasted time. If rain lingers, fast travel to a different region or shrine. The engine often spawns clear weather elsewhere. Make sure to enter indoor spaces, caves, houses, shrines, then exit to trigger a weather update without spending long resting cycles. This combination of localized travel plus controlled time skips is the most reliable mid-game tactic to stop persistent rain quickly. Finish by confirming clear skies before committing to a climb or long glide. Rain resumes slippery climbing and ruins fire starting. If lightning continues, immediately unequip metal and swap to wooden gear that prevents strikes. Make sure to test with a single 1 hour rest first so you don't overshoot. If weather stubbornly refuses to change, reload a recent save or fast travel back to the Great Plateau or a distant shrine. These actions often reset regional weather and end the rain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.